Good morning, my dear aliens. Attorney Kristina Krilchev here. Are you excited already about the green card lottery or the so-called diversity visa lottery this year? If you are, you probably know that it usually opens up within this time of the year each year. Official information just came out today that this year the process of accepting applications will start October 2nd and will end November 5th. Okay, so if interested in participating in the Diversity Lottery 2026, the first thing you should probably check is to see if your country of birth is included in the list of eligible countries this year. Once you see that, then the next thing you should do is to see if you satisfy the educational requirement. So what is the educational requirement? If you can show completed high school education, then you qualify, period. However, in situations where you don't have a high school diploma, next you should check if you have 2 years of qualifying experience. These 2 years, though, have to be within the 5 years immediately before the filing of the application, okay? And also, this experience should be within occupations that usually require minimum of 2 years of training or experience. I know it's a little bit confusing, so let me try to give you an example. Let's say you have 2 years of experience as a waiter, but this experience was from 10 years ago. Then you do not qualify. Now let's assume that you have this experience as a waiter, but it's more recent. Let's say 2 years ago you had 2 years of experience, okay? Now, because the experience was as a waiter, and with all my respect towards this profession, the job of a waiter does not usually require any preparation, training, or experience. So just because this experience was as a waiter will not qualify you, all right? Will not satisfy the educational requirement. Once you know that your country is in the list of participating countries and that you satisfy the educational requirement, the next thing you should know is that you can submit only one entry per applicant. All right, so there are situations where an applicant can be a citizen of more than one qualifying countries. Still, you can submit only one entry. Submission of more than one entries will automatically disqualify you. All right, so knowing all that, if you still want our help in evaluating your case or chances for submitting your entry for the DV Lottery 2026, or if you would prefer our law firm to submit the application on your behalf, you know how to reach us. We'll be more than happy to help. In the alternative, if you prefer to file your application yourself, that's also fine. Just be very much aware of immigration fraud. There are companies, agencies, websites out there that may lure you into filing on your behalf for a fee. As you very much know, this program is free of charge, so be very cautious when you agree to somebody else to file this application for you. You can should only trust your attorney or go directly to the official website, which will be listed below this video. This website is created and administered by the Department of State and is the only official place where you should be submitting your application. All right, so whether you hire us to submit your application or you decide to do it yourselves, I wish you best of luck, and I hope you are selected in the random selection next May of 2025. Good luck and stay safe and happy. Goodbye.